I been staying in, now I'm finna play to win. Bitch nigga win cool. Hold up now, say again. Bitch nigga win cool. I ain't here to make a friend. Can't nobody take it here. No time for relationship. Time consume my days to spend. Smoking, working, smoking. Either try and lay some shit or pay the rent. Open minded most of the time, soft spoken. So when I'm flowing on 100 like I'm Chamberlain, never fronted, I'ma leave it to a hater then. Skinny niggas, skinny pockets, everything is crazy slim. But I know where to work out like the biggest dude at your favorite gym. Out the window, all the misconstrued statements win. Lost thoughts from wherever out in space I've been. Lyrical, alien, not your average homo sapien. Is bad man, good men, and greater men. Good and bad can't make the cut. Chances against me, erase it thin. The sharper the line, you know the closer the shade. I might lose my mind in the home of the brave. I don't really party, no I don't misbehave. I just smoke and record, that's how I go to the grave. Can't afford to take a day if I could only just say myself to all, my all I know that I gave. I'ma have to try, stay, say little homie to fade. Niggas hate it, bitches love it like I know what they crave. Tell them what they wanna hear, so they gotta listen. Opposition looking at me funny cause I got a vision. Caught in between an honest living and playing politician. I know that I'm not forgiving. Shorty told me stop your tripping, I told her I'm not, but she can tell. So I sit back and held and I blow out the competition. I know y'all got attention, but we know a lot is missing. Boy, don't make me start, I don't plan on never stopping spitting. Spit on any topic mention, always got some hot shit written. Every song's a high ambition, proving still a constant mission. Far from a common mission, don't know why y'all bother dissing. Haters, y'all are dead to me, my niggas in the zombie killing. I'm trying to raise the roof before y'all niggas drop the ceiling. I got this feeling, we ain't stopping till we got a million. At the top just chilling. Success come often when you off the millin'. Trying to play my cards right when ain't nobody dealing. Hit me with another one, wait till I turn 21 like blackjack. I stack that while y'all niggas get nothing done. Hit me with another one, wait till I turn 21 like blackjack. I stack that while y'all niggas get nothing done. Hit me with another one, wait till I turn 21 like blackjack. I stack that while y'all niggas get nothing done. Hit me with another one, wait till I turn 21 like blackjack. I stack that while y'all niggas get nothing done. Nothing done, man, y'all niggas get nothing done. Nothing done, man, y'all niggas get nothing done. Hit me with another one, wait till I turn 21 like blackjack. I stack that while y'all niggas get nothing done.